Hello everyone, we're excited to introduce you to our interactive game module, Sense of Time. This game is designed to help users master essential time management and workplace communication skills through an engaging and immersive experience. Sense of Time is a quiz-based module featuring interactive questions, decision-making scenarios, and time challenges. It's built to simulate real-world workplace situations, making learning both practical and fun.
Our target audience includes new employees, interns, and even students preparing to go to work. The game is especially for those who struggle with prioritization, meeting deadlines, or communicating effectively in a professional setting. To bring this game to life, we used a combination of tools like Genially for the interactive interface, Assembler Studio for augmented reality elements, and Canva for designing visuals. Let's take a look on how we built it.
First, let's explore how we created the AR instruction screen. As you can see, this model was imported from the 2D section of the Assembler Studio. The instruction description were designed separately in the Canva and then integrated here. This screen serves as the user's first touch point, providing clear and interactive guidance to help them navigate the game effortlessly.
The AR format makes the onboarding process more immersive, reducing the cognitive load often associated with traditional text-based tutorials. This encourages users to explore the game independently, just like they need to adapt in the workplace.
Next, let's dive into the Genially platform where we built the core of our module. Most of the backgrounds, icons, and task cards you see here were designed in Canva and imported into Genially. This ensured a visually consistent and professional look throughout the game.
Genially allowed us to incorporate interactive elements like quizzes, branching logic, and timers. For example, in one level, players must complete a scavenger hunt under time pressure, mirroring real-life workplace urgency. The platform's flexibility makes it easier to create a seamless and engaging user experience.
Finally, let's look at the AR Island, which serves as a visual reward for completing the game. All the 3D models you see here, like the plants and the house, were imported from the Assembler's library. It was simple to assemble and customize, making the development process efficient.
This island symbolizes personal growth and achievement. As players progress through the game and improve their time management skills, they unlock this thriving environment, reinforcing their sense of accomplishment. It's a powerful motivator to keep users engaged and committed to learning.
To summarize, Sense of Time combines gamification, augmented reality, and interactive storytelling to teach vital skills in workplace. It's accessible, inclusive, and designed to make learning enjoyable.
We've already received positive feedback from testers, praising its simplicity and immersive qualities. Of course, we're also working on improvements like optimizing technical performance and refining instructions to make the game even better. So thank you for your time, and we're hoping you are excited about this project as we are. Thank you.
Okay, so let's start with the first. It is to identify common time management challenges in the workplace. Many new employees struggle with things like juggling multiple tasks, meeting tight deadlines, or adjusting to new systems. So our game highlights these challenges through realistic work situations. By recognizing this early, learners can prepare better and develop good time management habits. Second objective is to apply prioritization strategies in time-sensitive situations. Here, players practice deciding which task to do first based on what's most urgent or important. Through interactive activities, they learn how to think critically and manage their workload under pressure. This helps improve their productivity and decision-making in real work setting.
Other than that, one of the most important goals of our game is to highlight the role of clear communication in time management. So in many work situations, delay often happen because people don't confirm deadlines, misunderstand instructions, or fail to update others on their progress. So we created activities that require players to practice things like checking deadlines and reporting their workload, which helps a lot to build a habit of communicating clearly and responsibly in a team. Next, another focus is encouraging users to take initiative and make decisions on their own. In the game, players face realistic work situations where they have to choose how to prioritize tasks or handle time pressure without being told what to do. These decision-making challenges help users to build confidence, think independently, and manage their responsibilities more effectively, just like they would need to in real workplaces.
Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how do we play this game that we made called Sense of Time. So as you can see here, first thing you see is a little hovered intro or storyline that we made. You're gonna press start, and next move on to the intro, which you can read by yourself, and after you read finish you can just do continue. Next we have this, which is our little AR instruction on how to play it, or actually you could click on the full screen. Next, this is how our GUI works for our level. So if you click on Garden 1, means you just entered level 1. Each of these levels or games, they have a time limit around 1 to 5 minutes. So this first level says to find the seed. After you find the seed, you click it second time. So let's see the clue. Click on this thing, and this is the clue for it, and this is where the answer is. You just gotta click it a second time so you can advance to the next page. Next, this is the rest. Most of our questions are MCQ based to help people to understand time and also to organize their productivity. Like this. And every time you get it right, you're gonna hear a ding. Then, if you did something wrong, you hear this. And every level moves on the same. And then once you finish all the MCQ questions, we have a last question which is asking about which image are showing the most hardworking and dedicated people. You could scan your QR to get a model of an island that we have created. It also would say congratulations on finishing the plot.
Okay, next. Untuk visual dengan sound, bagi saya sound dia okey lah juga, tapi perlu di-improve lagi kalau macam bunyi more to like lo-fi using macam little bit of beats, jadi dia cantik sikit bunyi. Lepas tu visual kalau boleh jangan guna yang terlalu merosak macam mana, macam sakitkan mata. Macam contoh tadi ada satu part dia clock, lepas tu dia pusing-pusing sambil saya nak membaca, saya susah nak baca sebab belakang background dia buat mata pening. Gitu. Okay, semuanya okey.
Saya dah just yang pun grafik ya, ada lost kita.
Ada yang box ya, sebab sih kami orang tahu perkataannya. Sebab kita yalah memanglah bahasa Inggeris tu bahasa kedua penting kita, tapi si semua orang tahu perkataan box. Kita tahu pronounce-nya, tapi kita kadang-kadang kita tahu macam ni full meaning. So pakai word sebagai macam confusing. Macam your friend give you a confusing task instead of box task, macam susah sikit lah orang nak faham. Tapi pun tadi box mesti lupa kan. Semua soalan senang nak faham. Yang susah tu tempat sheet tu lah, nak cari sheet tu mana.
Yang cari yang first part, okay. So, grafik dia. Okay, itu
Boleh try, ingatlah nama website tapi pernah bola yang agak fun juga lah bila tekan kat linknya, dia akan automatic masuk ke website kan. Rasanya dia akan first pop up yang pun topik dulu, lepas topik kayak terus yang tulis soalan, kita dapat jawab dengan lebih fun lah. Instead of tadi kan macam kita bukan market lah, di comment so biasanya lain sikit lah, tapi visual lebih menarik lah. Okay, out of 10 saya bagi 7 masih belum.
okay.